My neighbor says that if you put a board, of course we live in the north, down south anything that gets anywhere near the ground will rot out and get eaten by termites, but up here it's not so much. But my neighbor says if you put a board down on top of a concrete block, water will wick up the block and up into the board. But if you put 2 blocks there, it won't wick up 2 blocks. Now I don't know if that's true or not, but he's been in the building business a long time, and I generally just tend to believe him when he tells me something. I don't argue with him. So you notice I got 2 blocks on each one of those. I got 2 blocks under the house where all of my support things are sitting, and I do the same thing right here. I basically sit 2 blocks here. I'm sort of eyeballing this corner. I want this to be right in the right place. I think I can move this one out toward me just a hair and set these blocks on top. Then I'll set my corners on that, and man, we're making progress. Okay, that's one corner done. Now let's go to the other one. Okay, there you have it. That's the outline of my new shed. I have done some measuring, and the rat rod will fit right in here, right there, and that leaves me some room over in there for motorcycle, wheelbarrow, whatever. I love it. It's not going to be real tall on the far end, but it will work, and I'm good with it.